Selamat Memortret's photos. Jakarta never ages. Every day, new scenes beckon him. 67-year-old Memortret is an experienced photographer based in Indonesia. Because he was born in China, he sees the city he's called home for over 30 years from two cultural perspectives. His photos present both the past and the future of the city. Though the people in the photos have aged, the city remains vigorous. The capital, Jakarta, known as the Coconut City, is located on the northwest coast of Java Island. The largest city in Southeast Asia is an international metropolis and world-famous seaport. The Dutch established a colony here in the 16th century, and Indonesia didn't gain independence until 1949. The National Monument was erected at the center of the city to commemorate this event. The Istiqlal Mosque, meaning Independence Mosque in Arabic, is located in the northeastern part of the monument and is the largest mosque in Indonesia. Memortret is working on a photo report for a magazine entitled City of Belief. Indonesia has the largest Muslim population in the world. The people and their beliefs are closely related. He takes pictures of a grand religious service underway. This mosque can attract over 200,000 followers during Ramadan.